Hello everyone, welcome back to Carttitude. Today we have in work this Porsche Classic 993 full front Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF. As you already know, everything wrapped inside, cover how much is possible, any little corner on the car. But the main project is this one on the back. A brand new Kia EV6 2022 model, and will be the first Kia EV6 PPF on the YouTube. The car is now ready for collection. We did a full front-end Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF. The rest of the car, G-Technic ceramic coating, wheels, windscreen, ceramic coating protection, interior, leather fabrics, Alcantara protection. But I will explain you now exactly the process step by step, and we have some challenge with the front bumper. I will explain you better what's happened. Come on to see the process. That was the installation process. Just let me explain you the challenge that we had with this car. In our processes, the paint preparation is a very important step, and we pay attention on washing, decontamination, paint preparation and buffing, paint correction, very careful. This is why we leave the car and we correct even the narrow areas, more hidden and not visible. When the car was lifted, we find big scratches here on this area. Straight away, we let the customer know. He decides that that scratch needs to be fixed before the PPF is applied. What I want to mention here, this car was on the road just for 3 days, 5 days, something like that. From the moment when the customer collected the car, brand new from the dealer, till the moment was dropped to us was just 3-5 days, and things like that was happened. This is why it's so important to protect your car from day one. If here was PPF, that mark was not damaging the paint, was just a little mark on the PPF. We fixed it, we continued the job, and now the car is fully protected and ready to hit the road. As you've seen in the process, we covered the mirrors, full bonnet, wings, headlights, and bumper kit with Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF. What is so special on this car? We covered even these areas and the small trims on the bumper. Everything is fully protected with PPF, and everything is pre-cut kit. Now the car is ready for collection. Like I said, we protect the high impact areas with PPF, rest of the car with ceramic coating, full interior protection. It's a very good package to look after your car, to maintain the car easy and in a good budget as well. If you want the best for your car in the future, here at Carttitude is the right place where your car needs to be. Please subscribe, watch our videos on the YouTube channel, and I'm looking forward to see you soon. Bye bye guys.